Viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain one of the topic in biological classification. It is euglenoids and its characters along with NEET practice multiple choice questions. And in this video, let us start the topic euglenoids and its general characters. So euglenoids. The euglenoids are the flagellate protista members present in freshwater and stagnant water. In these members, the cell wall is completely absent, but the cell it is surrounded by a flexible, elastic, protein-rich layer. It is called pellicle layer. And at the apical end of the cell, it bears one infolding. This infolding is called as cytostome or cell mouth. It present at apical portion. This cytostome it helps in ingestion of solid food particles. The cell it consists of a specialized structure near to cytostome or cell mouth. It is called eye spot. In this eye spot, it consists of a photosensitive red-orange color pigment. It is called astaxanthin. Through this cytostome, two flagella are arised. In this two flagella, one flagella is very short and it is reduced and present inside of the cytostome. But the remaining flagella, it came out, it is very long in nature. It came to outside of the cytostome, useful for locomotion. The cell, it consists of contractile vacuole along with a single large nucleus near the center of protoplasm. Coming to nutrition. So euglena having a special type of nutrition. In their nutrition, it shows mixotrophic nutrition. That means euglena can perform both photosynthetic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. At the time of its nutrition, in the cell structure, it consists of some photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene and xanthophylls. With the help of these pigments, it can perform photosynthesis, and these photosynthetic pigments are identical to photosynthetic pigments of higher plants. With this character, we can observe a similar nature in between euglena and plants. And in the presence of sunlight, with the help of these pigments, euglena shows and performs photosynthetic nutrition by synthesizing their food its own. When euglena it is deprived of sunlight, if sunlight is not available, in that condition they behave like heterotrophic organism, and by predating other small organisms it performs its heterotrophic nutrition. And this euglena it can store food material in the form of paramylum. It is similar to beta-1,3 glucan. It is a stored and reserved food material in euglena. So along with that, the euglena it performs asexual reproduction. At the time of asexual reproduction, euglena by performing longitudinal binary fission, one euglena it will divide it into two daughter euglena cells. So during this binary fission, the division takes place longitudinally, and this division it can separate one euglena into two daughter euglena cell. It is called longitudinal binary fission. It is a common method of asexual reproduction seen in euglena cells. Euglena it acts as a connecting link in between both plants and animals in case of different characters like pigment. So that is about the concept related to general characters of euglena. Along with this, let us discuss some important NEET practice multiple choice questions related to this topic. In this, the first question is, euglena cell surrounded by pellicle layer and it is rich with, in this the first option lipid, second option proteins, third option carbohydrates and fourth option vitamins. In this the correct answer is second option because the pellicle layer is rich with the proteins. The second question, identify the incorrect statement. In this, the euglena is a freshwater member and found in stagnant water. Second option, cell has cell wall including pellicle layer around the cell. Third option, cell has two unequal flagella for locomotion. Fourth option, euglena has both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. In these four options, the correct answer is second option because in euglena, the cell wall is completely absent and the cell it is surrounded by a protein rich layer called pellicle and it acts as a boundary. The third question, euglena identical to higher plants in relation with. In this, the first option is pigments, second option cell structure, third option nucleus and fourth option nutrition. In this, the correct answer is first option because the euglena having photosynthetic pigments, these are identical to higher group of plant. With these pigments, it have a relation with the higher plants. Coming to the fourth question, euglena perform heterotrophic nutrition in the deprived of sunlight by predating. In this, the first option is insects, second option phytoplanktons, third option smaller organisms and fourth option other euglena. So in this the correct answer is third option because when the euglena it deprived of sunlight, if sunlight is not available at that time, by predating other small organism it performs heterotrophic nutrition. Coming to fifth question, the eye spot or stigma of euglena has a photosensitive pigment like, the first option chlorophyll A, second option chlorophyll B, third option xanthophylls and fourth option astaxanthin. In this the correct answer is fourth option because the euglena eye spot or stigma it consists of photosensitive pigment, it is called astaxanthin. So these are the practice multiple choice questions related to this topic. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. Thank you for watching.